2012 Camry LE 2.5 liter. This is the rear brake shoes for the emergency brakes. They don't look bad. They look pretty even. Main complaint is squeakiness. So my buddy thinks that these pins are pretty stuck in there, and that came from the top caliper, that came from the rear. It was kind of hard to come out. I would say that grease is pretty stuck in there. And so these are the rotor. This is the rotor. It wasn't shaking at all. And that's that. But we're gonna put in new Akebono rotors and Akebono rear brake pads. They give you a variety of hardware, so I guess you have to figure out the one that fits your car. And that's the one that fits the car. And see these brake pads? They're like really thick. Of course, 70% is parking in the front and 30% in the back, so it should last a long time.